Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Joff, and welcome back to another Facebook Live natin dito. I am Dr. Jonathan Flordelis, your trusted source for hip and knee arthritis information. So today we have another inspirational story, but excuse me, I just had a really late lunch with my wife, and I don't know what usually is your favorite food, but we had fried chicken from Sunburst, and it's one of the known fried chicken from Cebu City. So kung kinsay ganahag fried chicken diha, just had a late lunch, and right now I want to hear from you guys where you're from. Shout out sa mga arthritis warriors natin na every week nandito watching our Facebook Live. So please do comment below where you are from, and if you have mga tanong, questions about hip or knee arthritis, this is the Facebook Live where you can also ask questions. But as an added bonus, we're also going to do inspirational stories because a lot of patients with hip and knee arthritis are getting better because they've found this page, and for me it's really heartwarming. Kanang ganahan ko kay it's a sense of fulfillment. Murag magpasalamat ko sa tanan na naminaw karon. Kung nakadungog mo nako, please comment below. Asa mo gikan, syudad, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And if you have any questions about hip or knee arthritis, palihog, pwede mo mangutana karong gabi. And right now, shout out sa mga followers nato na always naadiri kada semana. One of them is si Ma'am Maria Elena Mantaring. Is always here every Saturday and Sunday. Naasad mo na notice, we have two new links. Natay bag-o na links na makita ninyo. First is a consultation link kay daghan mangutana, Doc. Unsaon pagpakonsulta sa imuha, sa imong office. That is the first link. And link number 2 is unsaon pag-appeal sa imuhang Facebook group, Doc. We do have a free Facebook group kung asa mo pwede mangutana. You can ask arthritis questions, and you can connect sa atong support group. We have patients who have arthritis. Nasa tayo special group na para sa mga AVN na for hip replacement, or ang uban human na og joint replacement para makasabot sa sila how the process is done.